Magandang araw mga kabilang! Ngayon ang pag-uusapan natin ay Special Product Part 2. Special Product. So we're done sa number 1, 2, 3 na sa ating previous video. So let's have 4, 5, 6. Number 4, cube of a binomial. So we have a plus b cube. It is equal to a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. A minus b cube, it is equal to a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. Number 5, square of trinomials. If we have given a plus b plus c squared, it is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2ac plus 2bc. And last, product of a binomial and a trinomial. So if we have a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared, it is equal to a cube plus b cube. If we have given a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared, it is equals to a cube plus b cube. So now let's have example number 4. Since it is a continuation in our previous lesson, no? So let's have cube of a binomial. So we have x plus 2 cube. So in this given, please take note that this is our a and this is our b. So our a is equals to x and our b is equals to 2. So using this formula, we have a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. We can easily find the product of this binomial, or we can easily find the cube of this binomial. Okay, so hanapin na natin. So we have a cube. So i-blank lang muna natin si a. And then we have, ayusin natin yan. I-blank muna natin si a para hindi tayo malito. Basta papalitan nyo siya, ha? So what is the value of a? We have x. Therefore, x raised to 3 is equals to x cubed. So tapos na tayo dito. So let's have 3a squared b. So we have 3a squared b. So we have 3 times blank squared times blank. Our a is x and our b is equals to 2. So let's simplify. So we have 3. What is x raised to 2? Simply x squared times 2. So what is 3 times x squared? 3x squared times 2, we have 6x squared. So tapos na tayo dito kay 3a squared b. So now let's have 3ab squared. So again, we have 3 times blank, blank squared. So what is the value of a? Again, we have x. How about b? We have 2. So let's simplify. So we have 3 times x, we have 3x. 2 raised to 2, we have 4. So 3x times 4, we have 12x. Next, tapos na tayo dito, let's have b cube. So we have blank cube. So what is the value of b? We have 2. So 2 cube means 2 times 2 times 2. So what is 2 times 2 times 2? We have 8. Therefore, the cube of x plus 2 is, combine lang natin to, okay? X cube plus 6x squared plus 12x plus 8. So this is now the answer. Let's have another example. Let's have another example. So we have x minus 3 cubed. This time we have subtraction. So this is our A and this is our B. So let's take note that A is equals to x and B is equals to 3. Okay? So let's apply this. We have A cubed, 3A squared B, 3AB squared, and then B cubed. Sinulat na natin. Yan. So what is A cubed? We have blank ulit, cube, substitute lang natin yung xka. So we have x raised to 3, which is equals to x cubed. Next, we have 3a squared b. 3a, 3 blank squared times blank. So what is the value of a? We have x, and then b is 3. So let's simplify. So we have 3x squared times 3. Yan. So 3x squared times 3, we have 9x squared. So let's continue. Let's have 3ab squared. So we have 3 times blank squared. So a, yan, x yan. And then b, we have 3. So we have 3x times, what is 3 raised to 2? 9. So we have 27x. And then last, we have blank cube. So we have 3. What is 3 cube? We have 27 na. So please take note yung operation na naka-insert dito sa ating formula. Subtraction dapat yan na pag kinombine natin. So we have now x cube. Yan. Minus 9x squared plus 27x. Minus ulit. Minus 27. So here's now the answer. So now let's have example number 5, square of a trinomials, okay? So we have this given x plus 2y plus 3 cube. So let's take note that this is our a, b, and c. So a equals to x, b equals to 2y, and c is equal to 3. Okay, so now isa-isayin natin ulit to. So let's have first a squared. So substitute, we have blank squared. So substitute lang natin yung x. So x raised to 2 equals to x squared. So tapos na tayo dito. Next, let's have b squared. So we have blank squared. So our b is 2y. So if we have 2y squared, which means we have 2y times 2y. So 2y times 2y, we have 2 times 2, 4. And then y times y, we have y squared. So tapos na tayo dito. So now let's have this one. C squared. So we have blank squared. So our C is equal to 3. So if we have 3 squared, we have 3 times 3. So 3 times 3, we have 9. Next, 2AB naman. We have 2AB. So blank blank. We have 2 times blank times blank. Substitute, our A is X and our B is 2Y. Yan. So we have 2 times X times 2y, no? So 2 times x, we have 2x. Times 2y, we have 4xy. Pero isa-isahin muna natin. So we have 2x. So 2x times 2y, we have 2 times 2, 4. And then xy. Next, let's have, tapos na tayo sa 2ab. 2ac naman tayo. 2ac. So we have 2 times blank times blank. Our a is x and our c is 3. So we have 2 times x, 2x times 3, we have 6x. Next, 2bc naman. 2bc. So we have 2 times blank times blank. So our b is 2y and then we have 3. So, i-multiply na muna natin lahat ng nakikita nyong number dito sa 2bc. 2 times 2, we have 4. Times 3, we have 12. Copy the variable. Therefore, the answer is, combine ulit natin, we have x squared plus 4y squared plus 9 plus 4xy plus 6x plus 12y. So here's now the answer. Let's have example number 6, product of a binomial and trinomial. If we have given again a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared, it is equal to a cubed plus b cubed. If we have given a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared, it is equal to a cubed minus b cubed. So let's have example. So this time we have x cubed, x plus 3 times x squared minus 3x plus 9. So according to the product of a binomial and a trinomial, if we have given, kapag ganito yung given natin, for us to find the product, it is simply the cube of A plus the cube of B. So in short, ang gagawin lang natin, i-note natin na this is our A and this is our B. Again, our A is equal to X and our B is equal to 3. So according to special product, for us to easily find the product of this given, ang gagawin lang natin, we need to get the sum of A cube and B cube. Okay? So, pag-add lang natin sila. So, what is the value of A cube? So, we have blank cube. So, our A is x. So, x raised to 3, we have x cube. And then, we have B cube. I-blank muna natin, blank cube. So, our B is 3. So, 3 raised to 3, ibig sabihin 3 times 3 times 3. So, 3 times 3, we have 9 times 3, we have 27. Therefore, the product of this, we have x cubed plus 27. So, let's have letter B naman. So, let's have another example. Yeah, ito na yung letter B. So, we have x minus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 4. So, ang kaparehas niyan, or ang kukuha na natin ng formula ay ito. Yan. So, for us to find the product, just simply subtract the cube of A and the cube of B. So please take note, ito ang ating A at ito ang ating B. So our A is equal to X and our B is equal to is equal to 2. Okay? Again, A equals X, B equals 2. So we have A cube. So we have long cube. So we have X. Substitute X. So we have X cube. Next, let's have B cube. So we have 2 raised to 3. So we have 2 times 2 times 2. We have 8. Therefore, the product is X cube minus 8. So here's now the answer. So kung may tanong, kindly comment your question. Okay? So thank you for listening again. Thank you for listening mga anak. That's all for today. Goodbye mga kabilang.